People often tend to think that Nazism and India are related through the appropriation of the ancient Hindu symbol of swastika by the Nazis. What we must understand is that that is not the only link. There have been other links too. And one of the most prominent of those links is the nationalist Hindu admiration for Nazism.
All friends are saying Hitler is bad and good.
People do love Hitler. Actually, he was like a guy with an attitude. And of course, another story is like his girlfriend, the relation between him and his girlfriend, that was the beautiful love story behind. At the same time, he was compassionate to the one who was surrounding him, and at the same time, he was like what? He was like the Terminator for his enemies.
But of all the reasons that I can think of for Hitler's popularity in India, the one that stands out as the most important and the most prominent is a strong yearning among India's youth for a strong leadership.
The Indian people connect with Hitler because, these Indians all have gone through a very rough kingship in the past. So Hitler was this, similar kind of guy. Like, he was a strong, rude dictator. So the Indians feel him like similar to their old kings and emperors. But still, he is remarkable, and he is still one of a great guy. Yeah.
What is interesting about this popularity and surprising is the fact that Jews have always been welcome in the country, and anti-Semitism has been absolutely unknown.
Jews and other communities in Kerala always lived in harmony. It's a home for everyone. Basically, India and in that Kerala is a home for everyone.
You can get Mein Kampf for less than $1 just anywhere in the country. Yet if you try to look for a book on the Holocaust, it would be very hard for you to find one. How can people like a character like Hitler, who is responsible for perpetrating a genocide that is still considered unmatched in its scale and magnitude by any other genocide in the world history? It is because Holocaust education simply does not exist in the country.
Schindler's List is popular all over the world, but not in India, commercially. If he goes to Hungary, if he goes to Germany, if he goes to Poland, anywhere, Vienna, anywhere, but his first target was just catch Jews and send them to Holocaust. I am very sorry to say, but they say, no, we don't know about Holocaust. We heard about it, but we don't know much about it.
Okay, I've seen a lot of documentaries that actually, tell me a lot about Hitler and his cruelty towards human beings and how he was. But on the other hand, he was an inventor. He's brought down a lot of new kind of inventions and ideas into probably his own society.
I can't think of any other subject more needed in India than Holocaust education. For Holocaust education would give Indians the distance that they would need to understand what leads to genocides and mass violence and how it can be prevented. There have been, and why it is so needed in India, because even in the 21st century, mass violence occurs so frequently in India. I can't think of any other place in the world where sectarian violence is so frequent in spite of our thriving democracy. Indians are just sick and tired of the widespread corruption in the country, of things not working. And in Hitler, they see a leader who made the things work. And even if he indulged in violence against certain communities, it is often perceived by Indians as collateral damage that was necessary for the greater good of the country.
Hitler is a very powerful man. I am not going to his negativity or about his angerness or about his capitalist attitude, or he may put them in the jail or prison or the gas chamber. But I think those people who obey Hitler will have a wonderful life.
The Indian film industry is the biggest film industry in the world. India produces 3 times more films than Hollywood does annually, at the rate of 1,000 films every year, and that too in 20 different languages. Many of these films often have protagonists who are called Hitler.
Sometime way back, there was a film made in Kerala, a popular film titled Hitler. It is been basically the elder brother trying to protect his sisters from the boys around, and it has been a hilarious film depicting the brother's good gesture as Hitler by the boys who are interested in the girls, his sisters. That's it.
The very people who admire Nazism and Nazis and how they built a huge empire in Europe are also the people who dream of Greater India that would encompass all the territories that find mention in ancient Indian scriptures, that are seen part of the great Indic civilization of the ancient times. So it is also a desire to recreate that ancient great Indian empire under the leadership of a leader like Hitler.